Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the completion of Mairang-Rani Godown Road in East and West Khasi Hills district will open up a huge opportunity for commercial trade to take place for tourism and also development industries like food processing. He also said since this road leads to airport and towards Guwahati city, the areas will see much more development in the future. Sangma also said that road connectivity is a precursor to any kind of development to come.
Now that it's complete, in fact, this road will open up a huge opportunity for commercial trade to take place, for different opportunities of tourism to come in, and definitely in other areas of food processing and other industries to develop. And since this road leads into the airport section and towards Guwahati city, and hence the land and the areas closer to the Guwahati sector and the airport sector will also see much more development in the future, because we'll be able to develop the concept of satellite cities, where we'll be able to create zones, and the proximity to Guwahati city will give an advantage to it. So this road construction will have multiple benefits.
The Khasi Authors Society